Creating a website doesn't need to be as painful as it was before. It's an easy way to do that using AI. I am going to teach you how to create a website in less than 5 minutes. So without any further ado, let's get started. Very specifically, I'm going to use two tools for this. It's going to be ChatGPT and the one that creates the website. I'm going to tell you that. So stay tuned. Now, very specifically, I use this prompt. This prompt is going to be the description of the video, so you can use that. What it simply does is we'll create a prompt for a software which does text to website generation. I don't want to create a whole prompt. So I'll just ask it to create a prompt for specifically what I want. Now I'm giving it two specific commands that I can use. Number one command is LP, that's landing page, and landing page user input for what. So whatever I want a landing page for will give me the same. And WP, that's like for a website, like if I want making more pages and more design and more prompts, I'm just using that. Now, just to keep make sure that we create something that's very quick, you can just start with the landing page. So let me just do this, save and submit. And yeah, I'm using an old prompt because I've tested this out. So I'll wait for the issue either this or that. So I want to say landing page, and I'm going to write, I want to write a landing page for a YouTuber which has a lot of AI related videos. And that's it. So once I enter that, it will just simply give me a prompt, and you can see the prompt here, right? And this is like the prompt that you have. It is completely it defines the color scheme. It's easy to do. I'll just copy paste this. And now you go to our main tool. It's called framer.ai. You can simply go there and click on a new project and select start with AI. Again, I've already signed in anything, so that's why I don't need to do this. Once I enter this prompt, it will specifically do its own magic using AI to create a website. And that's the beauty of it, right? It will create the whole thing automatically. Now, this looks super cool. Like it has got the featured videos. It took a different kind of font, and I can change that. I'll show you that in a minute, how to do the same. But this looks great for a landing page if I want specifically something that's different for me and school, right? So let's look at the most important thing, right? So I'm not vibing with the colors a lot. So what I want to do is let me just select this and shuffle the font a bit. I want to use a different font. I would make something simple and easy to read. That's great. And then I go ahead on the right hand, select a color palette. This is great, but I don't like with this. So you can just select multiple color palettes and it will automatically change the colors. More you want, you can go ahead. I like red a lot. And this is something red is my kind of favorite color. So just go ahead with that. Now, what I will need to do is just click on publish. It will automatically give me a domain name, date, and I can go to the website in second and see it there. So you have a whole website landing page ready in under 3 minutes. And that's what AI can help you. It has given in the world of artificial intelligence, the only limit is your imagination. And I would like to end with that. Again, I didn't intend this code to be there, but it is great. So if you want to learn more about AI and learn more about how to use AI for your tools on a daily basis, do let me know. I will be more than happy to take that and tell you about more videos. But please give this video a thumbs up. All right, share this. It really helps me. It really helps the algorithm to push it to more people and also help more people get to learn about AI. So if you're interested, please follow me, give me a subscribe, and let's see you in the next one.